guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're just going to do a quick little home workout during this long dragged out quarantine session of COVID-19. So I'm just going to put on my gloves and get started with the video. So every workout we're doing 3 sets of 30. So I'm basically going to show you 1 set of each and then you just repeat 3 times. Now, if you don't have any weights at your house, you can simply find anything to use around your house. All the stuff I brought from Walmart, it might be difficult to find anything now because of COVID-19. And it's so difficult to find any kind of weights. But if you have anything you can use, like cans or books, anything you want to use to help you work out, you're more than welcome to.
Waiting, coming, jump on it, you're on it, let's do it, ride it, my pony. My shadows waiting, coming, jump on it. Do it, baby. Ride it, my pony. 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 Keep your pony, let's do it. Ride it, my pony. My shadows waiting, coming. Jump on it, you're on it, let's do it, ride it, my pony, my shadows waiting, coming, jump on it. I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner, someone who knows how to ride.
Alright you guys, so after a good home workout, I like to take my bike around the neighborhood for another 15 minutes. And I usually end my workout from home there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time.